Welcome. I'm going to show you how to edit the JPEG version of the mask mockup in Pixlr. So go to pixlr.com, Pixlr.com in any web browser, and it will give us a couple of options. So click on Playful Pixlr X and then click on Open Image. And we're going to find the JPEG mockup. And just open whichever one you want. Click Choose. It'll pop up a little dialog asking if you want to resize the image. We don't really want to do that. We'll just click Original to open the original size. Then once you've got that open, click on the bottom icon on the left hand side that says Add Image when you hover over it, and then click on Browse to find your art on your computer. It's going to ask if you want to add the image to a new document or to the current, so we'll click Add Current. You might need to resize this, so to do that, hold down the Shift key to keep it proportional so it doesn't get distorted, and then just click and drag on any one of the four corners. When you think you got it about the right size, just hover over it and click and drag it into place. You might want to change the blend mode to multiply to make it look a little more natural. So to do that, just click on the three dot icon in the Layers panel, and that'll open up the Layers menu, and then click the drop down menu under Blend Mode and just change it from None to Multiply. That's pretty much all there is to adding your design to the JPEG version of the mask mockup. When you're done, just click the Save button at the bottom here. And if you're going to use this online as a thumbnail, like on Etsy, you'll want a JPEG version. So we'll click JPEG right here, and then we'll change the quality to 100, and we'll leave it on high, and then just click Download. And it'll just let you know that the image was saved to the default download folder, and it'll even give you an option to change where your files get saved if you want to do that. And then if you want a Pixlr document, you can come back and click the Save button again. And you can click PXD and then click Download again. Please message me at melissabmockups.com if you have any questions. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you get updates to future videos. And as always, this mockup and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com. Thank you.